Hello everyone, you're welcome. So in this video I'm going to be walking us through how to install the Pro Scalper Automated Forex EA. Okay, so first and foremost, when you purchase this robot, you're going to, in a zip file, the robot comes in a zip file. So you're going to, inside the zip file, you're going to have three files. One is the Pro Scalper Automated Forex EA, and another one is a PDF file, which is the installation guide, and also the file itself. Okay, so just before I proceed, I would take us through what the installation guide looks like. So in the installation file, when you open it, it shows you, it gives you a step-by-step procedure on how to install the Forex EA, the Pro Scalper Automated EA on your MT5. Okay, so all of the instructions have been highlighted on this PDF file. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be walking us through all of those instructions. Okay, so now just before I proceed, I would like to go through an overview of what robot trading looks like. If you are a first timer, if you happen to use the robot for the first time. Okay, so now I want to take us through what to expect. So when using a robot, you have to consider some things. Okay, so now you have to consider your trading system, you have to consider your money management, and also you have to consider risk management. Okay, now I'm going to tell us more why these things are important. Now, you cannot trade an EA without a proper risk management, since trading has a psychological impact on the trader. So if the current position is beneficial, you can feel greedy, otherwise you may get scared. So in this case, a trader interferes with the robot's trading process and disrupts the entire process. Okay, so you can cope with psychological pressure if you are confident that the deposit is protected by the risk management rules. So the smaller the risk, the smaller the negative emotions. So what are the things that you are supposed to consider? So what risk should you consider? Now, you should consider risk per trade. So this kind of risk represents how much a trader is willing to lose per one trade. So regardless of how efficient the system is, it's always advisable for everyone who is looking to use a robot effectively, is very advisable for you to have a trading plan. You should know what you want to get out of the trade, and what you're likely to get from the trade, and it's always important for you to plan your trade. Okay, so now let's go back to the installation and I will tell you guys how it works. So here I am, this is my MT5. Now, in order for us to install this robot, there's this file here, the MQL5 program. So what we're just going to do is we'll go to file, we go to open data. So we're going to wait for that to load. Okay, we're going to open data, then we'll go to MQL5. You click on it, then you click on experts, then you click on advisors, then you go back to your file. From the file that was purchased, you click on this MQL5 program, you copy, and you go back to your advisor and you paste it. So it's been pasted. So you close this. So now by the time you close this MT5 program and reopen it back, it's going to appear. Okay, so after we must have loaded our robot, the next thing we want to do is we want to relaunch our MT5 so that we can see the robots. Okay, so now let's check if it's there. So now we have it here. Look at it here, the Pro Scalper Automated Robot. Okay, so now how does this robot work? This robot uses 1 minute time frame strategy. Okay, so the robot trades with a 1 minute time frame. So whatever pair you're trading, you want to ensure that the time frame is in a 1 minute. Your chart is in a 1 minute time frame. And how can you set that? If you're not familiar with the interface of MT5, what you can simply do is to click anywhere on the chart. You can just right click on anywhere of the chart and you go to time frame and you set it to 1 minute. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to pick the robots, this Pro Scalper, where my cursor is, and drag it to your chart. Drag it and just drop it, release it. Okay, so you want to allow algo trading and allow modification of signal settings. Then you go to input. So whatever your balance is, you can set your risk. Currently the risk percentage for this robot is set to 1%, so you can change it depending on your balance. For you to change it, you can double click on any of these elements and you can change it. You can change your stops, you can change your take profit. So all you have to do is just to double click and all of these settings will be customized as however you want. So once I click on OK, the robot has entered the trade automatically, so it starts trading. So with this robot, it trades continuously. So for every time it hits a take profit, what it does is it's going to restart again, picks another trade for you continuously, so you can stop it whenever you are done with trading. Okay, so this robot works continuously. It can trade all through the week. You can leave it for 2 weeks, how long you want, and you can close it to profit, anytime. All right, so and this robot is very, very profitable. Okay, so I want to know what you guys feel about it, and I would want to know if you guys have any questions. All right, so thank you for joining me. My name is Damola. Peace.